Keep it simple. Here's exactly how I mark up my charts on NAS100 and place the trade step by step. So we've marked up the chart throughout the week. We start on Sunday and we continue to mark up our trades as we go along. So if we look at the daily time frame, it's about 9 o'clock on Thursday of that week, and we can see this is what the chart is looking like. Looks like we're starting to trend downward. You have lots of red candles on your chart. My chart, I have the candles black. You can see that price respected this area. It stopped here and here and here recently. So it might be a good idea to take our tool and place a daily zone here. Since we know that price has stopped here before. We'll see if price gets to this area or respects this area today or tomorrow. This is the 4-hour time frame. You can see that price is beginning to continue down on the 4-hour chart. So one of our scenarios was that price would break this 1-hour area of support. It could do that and continue on down, and that's what happened. So it did break and it retested just like we thought it might and continued on down. And so one of our scenarios was correct, so that's great. So that was something that we could look for. So we see this happened on Tuesday and yesterday, Wednesday. And so here we are on the 1-hour time frame today. We can take a look back. We can see that this area here was respected fairly well. Respected here and here and around in here. So we could draw a 1-hour area of support here, just so we can have that in our mind. But this, and remember, this is a zone. It's just giving us an idea of the zone that it bounced upon or respected last time, all right? And so our trades the past couple of days have been a break and retest. So right now we're just thinking of possibilities so that when we see it, we'll be ready for it. So we can draw a trend line here. And this might be a break and retest of a 15-minute trend line, but we'll see. We have to wait for the sell signal. So that's the 15-minute. And so we'll see if it goes down from here. We can take a look at the 5-minute to see what's happening on a lower time frame. Now that we've already marked up on the 15-minute. We'll see how this candle closes. Sometimes the 3-minute is a good time frame to look at. You remember that this line also, all these lines that we've drawn are zones. So, this zone could be fairly wide. That's why, even though it went past it, there's still a chance that it could come down. We're also in a supply area. And you can see how this candle, if it closes bearish, then it might be a good time to take the trade. But you can see how much it changed over that period of 5 minutes. And that's why it's important to wait for the candle to finish, wait for its complete closure before entering a trade. That looks pretty good. We might be able to go ahead and enter here. Could take a really small trade. We know that news is coming up in about 5 minutes. So we'll see. We can get down to this fair value gap, that would be good. We'll put our stop loss into profit just in case. Since news is coming up, we're just gonna see if we can get down to this gap. What have we said here that's going to help you this week? Subscribe and leave a comment.